Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we learn about alphabets, word, sentence, type of sentence, phrase, clause, type of clause, syllable, accent, emphasis. So watch till the end of this video.
Alphabets. Alphabets are the building blocks of English. Total letters 26. Vowels A, E, I, O, U. Consonants 21. Each letter has a sound and can form words. Example: A equals apple, B equals ball, C equals cat.
A word is a meaningful combination of alphabets. Words can be short, cat, pen, or long, responsibility. Words represent objects, actions, or ideas. Examples: book, teacher, student, school, friend. Sentence. A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. It starts with a capital letter and ends with period, question mark, or exclamation point. Examples: I like apples. She is my friend. Types of sentences. Declarative sentence. Definition. A sentence that gives information or states something. Example: the sun rises in the east. He is a teacher. Interrogative sentence. Definition. A sentence that asks a question and ends with a question mark. Example: what is your name? Do you like tea? Imperative sentence. Definition. A sentence that gives an order, request, or advice. Example: please sit down. Open the door. Exclamatory sentence. Definition. A sentence that shows strong feelings or emotions and ends with an exclamation mark. Example: wow, that's amazing. Oh no, I am late. A phrase is a group of words that has meaning but does not have a subject and a verb, so it cannot make a complete sentence. Examples of phrases: in the morning, under the table, very beautiful, playing in the park. Example in a sentence: he is sitting on the chair. On the chair equals phrase. Clause. Definition. A clause is a group of words that has a subject and a verb. It may or may not express a complete idea. Examples of clauses: she is reading. I was late. Because he was ill. Example in a sentence: I stayed at home because he was ill. Because he was ill equals clause. Key difference. Phrase, clause. No subject or verb, has subject and verb. Incomplete idea, complete or incomplete idea. Cannot stand alone, may stand alone. There are two main types of clauses. 1. Independent clause, or main clause. Definition. An independent clause has a subject and a verb and gives a complete meaning. It can stand alone as a sentence. Examples: she is a teacher. I like coffee. He is playing football. Example in a sentence: I was tired, but I finished my work. Dependent clause, subordinate clause. Definition. A dependent clause has a subject and a verb but does not give complete meaning. It cannot stand alone. Examples: because I was late. When she arrived. If it rains. Example in a sentence: I stayed at home because it was raining. Types of dependent clauses. A. Noun clause. Acts like a noun. Examples. What he said is true. I know that she is honest. A. Adjective clause. Describes a noun or pronoun. Examples. The boy who is running is my brother. This is the book that I like.
C. Adverb clause. Gives information about time, reason, condition, place, etc. Examples. I will call you when I reach home. He did not come because he was ill. Summary table. Type, function, example. Independent, complete sentence. She is happy. Noun clause. Acts as noun. What he said is true. Adjective clause. Describes noun. The man who called. Adverb clause. Shows time or reason. Because it was late. Next is syllable, accent, and emphasis. Syllable. Definition. A syllable is a part of a word that is pronounced as one sound or beat. Examples. Cat, 1 syllable. Cat. Table, 2 syllables. Beautiful, 3 syllables. Education, 4 syllables. Clap method. Clap once for each syllable. Beautiful.
Accent. Accent is the stress or force given to one syllable of a word while speaking. Examples. Teacher, accent on T. About, accent on bout. Doctor, accent on doc. Sentence example. The doctor is here.
Emphasis. Emphasis means giving special stress to a word or part of a sentence to show importance or meaning. Examples. I did the work, not someone else. I did the work. I really did it. I did the work, not play. Sentence example. She really likes tea. Difference in simple words. Term. Used for. Meaning. Syllable. Word. Sound parts. Accent. Word. Stress on syllable. Emphasis. Sentence. Stress on word. Subscribe for next video.